Joining us via Skype from New York is Dr. Dale Deutsch. He is a professor of biochemistry and cell biology at Stony Brook University. And he joins us to talk about his current research, which is on anandamide transport inhibitors. Why don't we just ask him to break it down for us? Thank you so much for joining us, Dale.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
It's our pleasure as well. So before we get into your research, can you tell me a little bit about your background, especially as it relates to your background in cell biology and biochemistry?
So presently I'm doing research in really brain research, neuroscience research. So in order to prepare for that, I studied in graduate school in enzymology and Purdue University, and then I did postdocs in Colorado and Chicago, and in lipids, and especially important was enzymology, and biochemistry emphasizes molecular aspects of science, and that's very important for my current research.
Sure. So you have been given several grants in the past, but the most recent one is a grant for $3.5 million spanning, I believe, 5 years. And this is to study anandamide transport inhibitors. Can you please tell us all about this research?
Sure. We identified anandamide transport inhibitors as a target about 4 or 5 years ago. And then at the University at Stony Brook, I got about 4 or 5 collaborators. And I have an X-ray crystallographer, and I have a computational biologist, and I have a physiologist and a chemist. And we are designing new drugs which bind to this transporter. And when you bind to this transporter, block this transporter, it raises anandamide levels. So the research is to discover very effective molecules to elevate anandamide levels in the brain and the body.
Okay, so tell me, what exactly is an anandamide molecule?
So anandamide is a molecule that your body makes. It's made up of lipids, fats, and another part of it's an ethanolamine. And anandamide in your body does many, many things. Right from conception, you need anandamide during fertilization, and then during nursing, anandamide is used, and then during development, and when we become adults, it's also used for many things, including to reduce stress. To maintain blood pressure. It's used, some people say it's the feel-good gene. Levels of that, it balances, there's about 50 neurotransmitters in your body. And this is one of the transmitters that balances the other transmitters. And the other ones are working too hard. This one tends to decrease the other ones, how fast they're firing in your brain, and to reduce stress.
We're going to get into anandamides more, but before that, I want to talk about the word itself, which I believe is derived from the Sanskrit word ananda, which means bliss or joy. Give me some background on that.
Watch the remaining show on ITV Gold. Subscribe to ITV Gold on Time Warner Cable Channel 1539. ITV Gold is America's first full-time television channel that caters to the South Asian community. Your favorite dramas with English subtitles. Watch movies, back-to-back songs, award-winning local news coverage, and much, much more. Subscribe to ITV Gold on Time Warner Cable Channel 1539, part of the 8-channel combo pack for $39.95. And our East Coast viewers can also subscribe to ITV on RCN Channel 476 and Cablevision on Channel 116.